Good morning, everybody from
Ghana, Accra.
I thought we'd just quickly do a video and talk about our night last night. How was last night, babe? Did you have a good night last night?
Oh, it was crazy.
So we drove to Cape Coast and we left quite late, so we had to rush everything and we decided to leave. We ended up leaving at about 5:30 from the ropes. Canopy walk.
Kakum, I think it's Kakum Nature Reserve.
And that's one thing we, because we were in such a rush and we were trying to finish everything, they charged us 100, what's it called?
Ghana cities
each, when it should be 35. So if you ever have that happen to you, 35 guys.
Yeah, 35.
But yeah, it's taught us we need to check prices before we leave.
Before we leave, yeah.
But anyway, last night,
yeah.
we we went at night, so it was dark.
Yeah.
Like it's pitch black when you drive because no one has to drive everywhere, don't you, babe?
Oh yeah.
Yeah. And we got stopped how many times, babe?
I think like 15 times.
Yeah, so there was 15 checks. We got stopped at nearly everyone.
Everyone, all of them.
All of them.
Like we got stopped like at all of them.
Yeah. So yeah, it was not a fun night, was it?
It was not fun. Nah, it wasn't fun at all. Yeah. So it was like Christmas and there was like checkpoints everywhere. Yeah. There was checkpoints everywhere. Yeah, they stopped us. Yeah.
So a big tip of the day is don't drive at night when it's during Christmas.
When it's during Christmas, they're checking for checking for all of that. Yeah, they're checking for contrabands and that, but also yeah. Sally living her best life. Jump! No running, look at that shoe, it look like Sonny, look like a clown shoe. Yeah? What a big shoe. Yeah.
Who's that?
Wow, nice. Oh, I wish I was here to join you guys. I'm done. Yeah.